Butler, and this is a little video of my book, art sketchbook that I did for the Brooklyn Art Library sketchbook project. It's called Transparencies, A Journey of Crystalline Vision, Transformation, and Joy. And here's my little book. I put an elastic around it because it kind of got filled with stuff. So when we open it here, we'll notice the title, Transparencies, here, which was one of the topics that they offered. And I called mine Transparencies, a Journey of Crystalline Vision, Transformation, and Joy. And this is some notes on the illustrations. I made a little cutout here because this page was sticking to that. So it starts here. And actually, I wrote a little note for the viewer here. It says, "Thank you for opening this book. Creating it has been an exciting and introspective journey during the pandemic adventure of 2020 to 2021. First, without much of an agenda, I collected some favorite quotations. Then they seemed to fall into place harmoniously to tell a story. I'm honored to invite you to explore this magical journey of interconnected symbols and words. Love, Marilyn." So our first page here is a quote from Rumi. "When will you begin that long journey into yourself?" And we have some magic doors. "Let your life lightly dance on the edges of time like dew on the tip of a leaf." And that's by Tagore, a quotation. "Walk as if you are kissing the earth with your feet." That's by Thich Nhat Hanh. "Perfect sincerity and transparency make a great part of beauty, as in dewdrops, lakes, and diamonds." And that quote's from Henry David Thoreau. "Through darkness, diamonds spread their richest light." John Webster. "Nature always wears the colors of the spirit." Ralph Waldo Emerson. "We all have our own life to pursue, our own kind of dream to be weaving, and we all have the power to make wishes come true as long as we keep believing." Louisa May Alcott. "In the tapestry of life, we're all connected. Each one of us is a gift to those around us, helping each other be who we are, weaving a perfect picture together." And this one's in French and English. I'll just read the English. "Breathe. Be quiet. Listen to the colors of spirit." On this one, I don't know if you can see, this is the cocoon, and it's got iridescent transparent paper on it. But if you see it at exactly the right light, you can see the butterfly inside. "The soul becomes dyed with the colors of its thoughts." That's Marcus Aurelius. The grateful heart sits at a continuous feast. That's Proverbs 15:15. Here we have two quotes. Voltaire is, "I have decided to be happy because it's good for my health." And from Martha Washington, "I am determined to be cheerful and happy in whatever situation I may find myself, for I've learned from experience that the greater part of our happiness or misery depends on our dispositions and not on our circumstances." This is kind of a little open page. Also in French and English. "Eyes so transparent that through them one sees the luminescent soul," by Théophile Gautier. "Dare to love yourself as if you were a rainbow with gold at both ends." Aberjani. "Her rebirth stood in her mind with the clarity of a perfect diamond, scattering the rainbows through her body." Thomas Quackenbush. And we end with Rumi where we started. "You are the universe in ecstatic motion." And at the end, I say, my intention for this sketchbook was to leave everyone who reads it feeling a little better after they finish. I hope it did its job for you. Love, Marilyn.